Yeah, I do actually. I miss the solitude, not the loneliness, but I do miss a little bit the solitude of that and the kind of, things that you don't necessarily appreciate when you're single, which is that you have all this freedom to be completely autonomous, right? You can decide where to go, what to do, and you don't have to consider anyone else. And that I miss sometimes. Sometimes it's lovely to just know that you've gone into your flat and you've closed the door and that's it, no one else is going to come in and out. But again, that's the solitude of it. But I don't miss being lonely, because there's a fine line between happy solitude and sad loneliness.
Yeah, sure.
Well, I think first of all, don't be ashamed of it. I think that we don't ever admit that we might be feeling like that, because I think it's a real stigma, It's like if we admit that we're lonely, we're saying that we failed in some way. It's a result of modern life. It can be quite lonely-making, We sit in our computers, we have all these virtual relationships, but it's not the same as having actual contact face-to-face with someone. I would say the antidote is, yes, close the computer, get out the door, have some actual real life interface.
Okay.